Okay, so I recently ordered from a brand called Snagged and Bagged. Don't mind me like throwing around this razor. And basically I'd never seen anyone do a review of this company before. I like looked on TikTok to see if anyone has ever ordered from them, and I hadn't seen anything. And from my understanding, it's a thrift store. However, they source from retailers, not necessarily from people who it's like their secondhand clothing items. So I ended up going there because I found these jeans from Nuuly that I wasn't able to order because I sent them back already. And I was like, you know what, I really want those. So I found them in my size on Snagged and Bagged. And I was like, you know what, they're $50, too good to be true. I also ended up getting this bag from Staud. And it's originally like a $300 Staud bag. And I saw it on there with a discount. It was like $140. Really nice bag and exactly kind of what I was looking for. So I wanted to do a quick little review of like how this comes so that like other people who might be interested can kind of know what they're gonna get, because again, I'm doing this for research purposes. That's why I bought this bag, so I'm telling myself. So it basically came in just like a plain brown box. It shipped from Virginia Beach, which was extremely random, but it got here in like 3 days. Okay, so it just came with like packing slip. Okay, cool. Nothing like really interesting there. Okay, so it came just like in this box. Like this. Wait, I'm kind of nervous. I thought it was maybe gonna come in like a nice Staud box. Like I feel like they would, I never bought from like them on their normal website, so I don't really know what to expect. But crazy bubble wrap usage. Oh, okay, so it came in the dust bag. That kind of rocks. I'm down with that. Okay, so bag in dust bag. I actually like, I don't know much about the size of this. I bought this like pretty impulsively, which is like kind of unlike me, but okay, so cute. Wait, I think it's perfect. Hopefully my phone will fit. Wait, it's really cute. Okay, so this is the Staud Owen bag, and it's actually in like a really dark brown. It looks pretty black in this light, but it's a really dark brown, and it has this like multicolored buckle, which is like what I wanted. Yeah, so it came new with tags. Like the Staud has the Owen bag, original pricing. Yeah, retails for $2.95. So okay, from what I understand, then they're really selling like all pretty much new items on their site. I don't see there like being any like defects or anything with this. Like I think it's just like a new bag that maybe didn't sell. There's like one little like thread there, but that's just like me being nitpicky. Yeah, this is amazing. So I basically got this bag originally $300 for like almost 50% off. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this. If anyone else was curious about ordering from Snagged and Bagged, I feel like it is legit, and they have some pretty good items if you want to like sift through or look for something specific. So thumbs up from me.